What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Man, we finna go to this Macon versus Atlanta meet in Macon. Man, we finna see what they're talking about. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and make sure y'all, keep commenting, bro. Keep liking it up. Let me know what y'all want to see and stuff like that. But say hello to Mom. This is Melissa. I'll say hey to Melissa. Got my brother going too. We also got P going, so supposed to be pretty fun. Hopefully it'll turn out pretty good. Last meet, it was great, but like it was epic. So hopefully this one will be pretty good too, cause I don't want to miss out. Like I missed out last time because I got hit. But yeah, man. All right, I'm gonna cut it right here and we'll get back to it. There we go, P. Man, go show him how you do it, bro. Well, you ever burned out in your car? Bro, you gotta burn out tonight, bro. Burn out tonight, bro. All right. Everybody doing a burn out tonight, bro. Everybody gonna burn out tonight, bro. You burning on tire tonight, bro. You finna trade that more again anyway. Now you want to get this, P, you want to record this, she can drive. She can drive that thing? Bro, I promise you, I kid you not. Unless that's not the girl. If that's a girl, yeah, but she know how to drive, bro. Female driving, bro. But she's slanging that bitch, bro. But she drive better than some of these boys, Yes, sir. Smoke out the dope. What's up, guys? Yeah, man, so that video was pretty lit, bro. It was pretty straight. That car meet turned out pretty well. But, you know, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all, you know, thought about the car meet and whatnot. So, yeah, bro. No, tell them bye. See you. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all next time on the next video. Tubes.